So what are we doing today?
So I really like the wolf cut,
Uh-huh.
but it's grown out because it's really hot. I want it maybe a little bit shorter than before, maybe a little lighter.
Lighter, shorter. How about the bang?
I still like the bangs.
Okay. Right below the eyebrow,
Yeah,
and then maybe around your eyebrow. Right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
yeah.
And then a little bit arch.
Yeah.
So even it's grow out, you can play with it. Yeah, I can tell this is a little flat.
Yeah.
Bring up some height. Kind of heavy around these area. Okay.
Yeah, just lighter is better because
I see.
it's taking
It's
a
too
long
short.
time to
Yeah.
wash.
I'll work on it.
Yeah.
Okay. You know how to play with your hair, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go.